Hi guys, it was a long time I didn't record my neighbor's Bryant air conditioner unit, so I decided to go check what it's doing right now, or maybe I'll go film it. See if it's running. I think it's not running. It is actually not running. This is a unit I got starting up like 1 year ago, I believe. It's off right now. It is a 4-ton and the Bryant logo on the top grill was shaded. Shaded does not mean like all stickers are off of it, but it means it's faded. The logo on the top of the grill was faded, so just to let you know. And we're gonna go ahead and go back to film our air conditioner, but our air conditioner is running. I got mud on myself. But let's go film it. Let's go film it so quick because my dad has to get on work. He has the Gulfstream running. Just carrier running. 2015 5-ton. That'll be it.